Ugh.
That's it. Good work. Where's your knife? Over there, Ryan, on the sink.
My friend.
Your friend Aiden tomorrow, yeah.
What's that?
That's the seeds in the tomato.
You want to eat that?
You want to eat? Yeah, of course you want to. No, eat this bit. Oh, you better quickly go and stir that mince. You can move that handle if you need to. Right, come and chop this tomato up little. Get the yucky bit off the end. You cut it the wrong way, mate. You're supposed to cut that yucky bit off first. That way. No, that way. Remember? Cut it that way now. Down there. That's it. Okay.
Oh.
You can cut it that way. Cut it any old way you want. Chop it up little though. Little. Chop it small.
Oh.
Yeah, you want little bits.
Wait, what's that?
Lay it down.
Oh, look at Mum. You eat.
Yeah, that's better.
Mum. What's that?
Jack, he's sleeping.
Hey.
It's got to be on the chopping board, doesn't it? He heard you talking about him.
You just heard that.
Yeah, he heard you. Little bits.
Oh, don't do that. I don't do that.
It's not chicken, it's pork.
Oh, what's chicken?
Yeah. The handle's there if you want to use the handle.
Oh, you just touch it chicken?
It's not chicken, it's pork.
Pork chicken.
It's not pork chicken. It's pork mince.
Pork mince.
Yeah.
Like that.
Stir it.
I do it pink mince. Yeah, alright. I tell you, pink mince.
Yeah.
Oh my dog.
Oh, he's here.
Turn the turn down.
Yeah, alright, that's a good idea. Let's turn it down. That's it.
Oh, eat that.
Nope, you're not eating it. You can eat it on your taco.
Oh.
That's it. Alright, now you need to chop your lettuce.
Alright, nice.
Yep, chop some lettuce up and put it in that slot. No, not with the scissors.
Oh, yeah.
You use your knife.
Good bit. Oh, good that bit.
Watch out, that's for your sauce.
What?
That can't go in there, that's got to go there. That's for your sauce. What are you doing here, mate?
There.
That's it. Good job.
Alright, do next.
Go and give your pork a bit of a stir.
Oh.
Bit of a mix.
That's what you need.
Yep, give it another mix and then you got to put this sauce in the middle.
I do that chart, Mom. A chart.
Your chart. Yep, you got to do your chart before Aiden gets here in the morning, don't you? You need to open...
Almost dark.
Yeah, it is almost dark. Here you go, you got to open that. You
Right
choose
there.
which scissors,
Oh.
Yep, and then it's got to go in there in the middle.
What's this?
You got them big scissors? Alright.
Good Jack, good sauce.
You want to give Jack some sauce?
Yeah, you pink mince.
Pork mince?
Nice.
Yeah, there might be
Nice.
enough. There might be enough there for Jack and
Yeah.
Jill. Maybe use them other scissors.
Oh, alright. Oh,
That's all. Hold the top.
Oh,
Hold the top bit like that.
where's my pen, Mom?
Yeah, no. Here, you hold it. That's it. Careful. Turn your scissors around that way. Cut there. Watch your fingers though. That'll do.
Right.
Alright.
Right, go ahead and try your sauce.
Jack, you want to give Jack some sauce?
Yeah.
Yep. Put it in there.
You got to get that?
We'll see. Dip it all in there.
I do some sauce, Mum.
Yep, give it a little squeeze on the end to get it all out.
Like that.
That's it.
Just in a minute. Whoa, just good. Whoa! Oh,
Oops.
is that for? Yeah,
Yeah, that's the sour cream. That's the best part.
Oh, Mom.
Get a big scoop of that and put in there.
Mom. What do you want, Queen Bile?
Go for a walk tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see.
Lovely.
Yeah, alright. That'll work. Good job.
Correct.
Check that mince.
Oh, are you kidding me?
What?
You made sugar sauce.
Oh, that's alright. That doesn't matter. Tip the rest in there. You're alright.
Okay, then, Mom.
That's okay.
Oh. Look at that, Mom.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Oh.
Put some more in. Yeah, put some more in. Good work. What are you doing there?
What the hell?
You're a nut.
No.
That's it. Good job, mate.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh, no. It's all right. We'll get it out in a minute. Save that bit there for Jack and Jill. They can have that a bit later.
Oh, yeah, that song.
Yeah, it is going to be dark soon. That looks really good, mate.
Oh, is it close?
Oh, thank you. Good job.
Alright, Mom.
Got your Coke?
No, let's go.
Let's go. You got some tongs there you can use.
Sauce.
Yeah, got sauce.
Hello. Who's that, Mom? Oh, what the hell?
What?
Meat sugar sauce.
Oh, the meat's in the sauce. Yeah, that's okay.
What is that, Mom?
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, my God, Mom.
Yeah, are you going to fit tomato on there? Better squish it down a bit.
Oh, eat that.
Yeah, you can put a little bit on the top.
No.
Just a little bit. Please. Looks pretty good.
You're like, hi. Here, Mom.
What's going on? It's good. Is it good?
Good. Yeah.